In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy a file to another folder in Google Drive. This process is straightforward, and by the end of this tutorial, you'll be navigating your Google Drive with ease. First, let's kick things off by heading over to Google Drive. If you're not signed in yet, go ahead and do so with your usual credentials. Once you're in, you should see a list of your files and folders on the main screen. Take a moment to locate the file you want to copy. This could be any document, presentation, or form you've been working on. Just scroll through or use the search bar at the top to find it. Once you have your file, right-click on it. A menu will pop up with different options. What you're looking for here is the Make a Copy option. By selecting this, Google Drive will create an exact duplicate of your file right there in your current folder. Now take a glance at your original files folder. You'll see a new file added with the name Copy of your file's name. This is your duplicate. If your goal was simply to have a backup in the same location, you're done. However, if you want to move this copy to another folder, keep following along. To move your newly created copy, right-click on it once more. You'll notice the option labeled Move To. Give that a click. A window will appear displaying all the folders within your Google Drive. Take your time to browse through these and select your desired destination. It's worth noting that organizing your files this way helps in keeping your drive neat and ensures easy retrieval in the future. Once you've settled on a folder, look around for a button that says Move. Click that, and just like that, your file will be moved to the location you specified. And here's a little tip for you. If you have multiple files you need to copy at once, hold the Shift key while selecting them. This allows you to select multiple items simultaneously, streamlining the process considerably. That's it. You've just copied a file and moved it to another folder in Google Drive. Remember, organizing your digital workspace doesn't just help with locating files easily, but also boosts your overall productivity. So, take a few moments every now and then to tidy up your drive. Thanks for watching. And be sure to check out our other tutorials for more tips and tricks on managing your online tools.